The Kovinc d.o.o company is a manufacturing company with a 40-year tradition of locksmithing and metal machining. We are marked by excellent organization, quick response, professionalism and flexibility. We have more than 70 permanently employed professionals in the field of mechanical engineering. Nowadays, our production is carried out on a total of 5,000 square meters of manufacturing, 2,000 square meters of storage and 4,000 square meters of outdoor partially covered areas. Our products are produced in accordance to all requirements and standards, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, EN 3834 and EN 1090 certificates. We strive for a partnership relationship with all our buyers. We offer our clients services ranging from project planning, consulting and manufacturing to on-the-field installation. Our technologists, constructors and programmers can supply you with the creation of a 3D plan and workshop documentation upon request. We are specialized in 4 basic production programs: Metal Exterior and Interior Equipment Program, Welded Heavy Metal Structures Program, Metal Elements of Railway Network for Railway Electrification, Welded Metal Construction for Machinery Program. In our manufacturing plant, the following take place: laser cutting of sheet metal with an advanced modern fiber technology and with an automated operating device. Laser cutting of pipes on a 3D pipe laser with a maximum diameter of 220 mm. Tube laser cutting with fiber technology for large-scale production of products for the automotive, industrial and furniture industries. Products marking. Robot welding. CNC pipe bending with a maximum diameter of 60 mm. Cutting and bending of sheet metal on the state-of-the-art CNC machines. Punching sheet metal, machine threading, hand welding of steel and stainless material with different procedures. We have approved welding processes, inspected equipment and around 40 certified welders. We provide constant quality control and tracking, which is further confirmed by our independent control department. Additional machine tooling in conjunction with our partners, for example, CNC turning and milling on multi-axis machining centers. In cooperation, we also offer surface protection of all types of metals, powder coating on all color charts and hot dip galvanization. Besides consulting, planning, projecting and production, we also offer our clients a quality, fast and reliable field assembly of all kinds of products, also with lifts. In 2017, we finished a new production hall for assembly, welding and metal work of heavier machinery, which is equipped with an 8-ton bridge crane. In 2018 and 2019, we also organized and enlarged our storage and outdoor manipulative areas. We are trusted more and more by demanding customers from both Slovenia and abroad.